Good morning, everyone, and whoever is watching this Zoom meeting. I'm gonna use Unity to make my games.
Jobs in the auto industry.
As a pharmacist.
Psychologist.
I would like to be an actress one day.
To be a game designer. I want to be a blacksmith.
In 20 years, I wish to be working as a pharmacist.
Work in 2D, 3D, software, etc.
Well, I think it's because it's fun and I can make people happy and of course get to earn a living.
I can do what I enjoy every day. I love doing what I do. I can make fictions come to life.
This is the decorations for the pillar. Also, the next one is also decorations for the pillar.
I chose to be a lawyer as my dream job because I want to help the poor who need legal assistance but cannot afford it.
This is not the end of yours. This is actually the beginning. Thank you very much for attending. We wish you the best of luck so you can be the best version of your dreams. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.